welcome back, guys. I know it's been a minute, but we're going to show you how to permanently restore these headlight lenses. These are to a 2010 Chevy Impala. Real easy to remove from the vehicle. What we're going to do is sand them and go ahead and put a clear coat on them and get them permanently restored. Then we got some brand new bulbs, some high intensity bulbs we're going to put in them also, because right now the halogen bulbs are in them. So let me grab the sandpaper. I'll show you what sandpaper we're going to use. We're going to knock this out real quick. Okay, so we got some isopropyl alcohol, some latex gloves. You got 400, 600, and 800. We'll start with the 4, work up to the 6, then finish with the 8. We're going to clean them first with the isopropyl alcohol, start sanding them, then we'll clean them after we finish sanding, put some plastic adhesion promoter on them, and then spray a couple coats of clear. And we should be done. Okay, so we've already cleaned it with the alcohol. We're going to start with the 400. This one's pretty bad. See, it's scuffed up pretty good. I don't know if you can see that in the light, but we'll try to get that out best we can. Plus this is damaged, so that's fine. All right, so basically you start with the 400 and start sanding it. We'll probably use the DA for the 6 and the 800. I have 800, 600 paper for the DA. It'll go a little quicker. Just want to get all over it. Get it nice and sanded. And 400's coarse enough where you see it's even more cloudier than what it was. Even that kind of is coming out a little bit. It's a deeper scratch right there, but it'll still look better than what it did until the customer gets some new ones. All right, now we got the 600 on the DA with an interface pad. I couldn't find my 800 for the DA, so we'll probably have to do it by hand. Okay, so that's I did go up to 1500 and cleaned them off. You can tell the difference of them already just from going up to the 1500. So I did 400, 600, 800, and then 1500. Okay, now I've already cleaned them again. So I'll clean them one more time, put some adhesion promoter on it, and then we'll clear them. Give them a couple coats. Stay tuned. Alright, so we got it masked off. I only masked the top part. That's only because I don't want the clear getting on all the plastic on the top part of the license, of the lens, I'm sorry. We're going to be using the Harbor Freight HTE. This isn't the 2. I don't have the 2 yet. This is the first one. The HTE 1.3 tip. That's great for clear. The U-Pole clear system. High solids, and we're using this as our plastic adhesion promoter. We're going to clean it one more time. You want to clean. The cleaner your project, the better it come out. So we're going to clean it one more time, adhesion, and then clear using that gun. Stay tuned. Okay, we're going to apply the adhesion promoter. First coat. First coat's a light coat. says to wait 5 minutes, and then one full wet coat after 5 minutes. Cut you back on. Alright guys, so that's 2 coats of adhesion promoter. I got about 9 minutes left before I can start clearing. I already got the clear loaded up in the gun over there, as you can see hanging up. Got my spray pattern. I'll be spraying it about 31 psi, so it atomizes real good, and let's get these bad boys done. Alright guys, and that's 2 coats of clear. Now this one is a little foggier on the inside, so it doesn't look as clear as that one, but overall, from what it started out to what it is now, it's 100 times better. So yeah, you can clearly see the difference, but they look a lot better than what they was. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.